Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. So happy you're here because we're going to be getting into the Fab Fit Fun Summer box. Love this box. We're going to run through it pretty quickly, but I'm excited to dig in because I did get some extras. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks. This is Loki. The beagle is Dexter. If you see him, Willie is the Jack Russell right here. There's Dexter. And they like to cause commotion in everything that I do. All right, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this, and let's dig right in. So FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box. You get items based on your profile and you get customization. So when the window opens, run to it because all the really good stuff will go fast. But they have everything from beauty to house goods. You will love it, and it is at an affordable price range. So it is a quarterly subscription box, and it is $59.99 a season. So that's just 4 times a year. And you usually get 6 to 10 full-size products in there, as well as a value of up to $300 or more, depending on what you choose in your customizations. So I find that I can get a lot of really great beauty products in here, so that I love to purchase them that way because they're deeply discounted. I will put my link down below in case you would like to give this service a try. If you use my link, you'll get money towards your first box. And these are new and emerging brands. They're established as well as new and emerging brands. Okay, so let's dig right in. I have more than the normal, like 6 to 8, 10 items because I got extras, and you can do that. So if you go through your first customization, for instance, and you see that you like more than one item, it'll tell you the price to add another item. And generally, it's around $7 to $15 to add an extra item. Loki wants to help me open this first item. I appreciate the help. So this is the Nopalera Bosque Mystico. So I think this is a perfume. Let's see the box. This was part of the customizations. You want it to smell good, Loki? Let's smell it. Let's send it. Oh, that smells really, really nice. It's like light, it's floral, it's very, very pretty. So I like that. And now Loki's gonna smell really good. I love it. Next up is the Julep Beauty Eyeshadow 1-on-1. This is cream to powder eyeshadow stick. Oh, you know, I love these dogs, don't get me wrong, but I do miss Wyatt and Xena quite a bit here. We used to be so much calmer. So there's one of them. Let me show you what that looks like. So that looks pretty. It's a nice lighter. Can you see that? Yeah, that's really nice. That's a nice eyeshadow stick. And let's go for the other one and see what that looks like. I love that they sent 2. And it is a little bit, almost has like lilac in it. Do you see that one up there is the second one? That's cute. Those are nice. I think that you had choices of the colors to pick for this. You could go more bold or go more neutral. All right, what else have I got in here? So many fun goodies. Next up is the NARS Afterglow Sensual Shine Lipstick. This is a nice light color. Check this one out. I feel like so many things that you get, because here you go. So it's a nice neutral. I already have lipstick on. So here's what it looks like up here. It's really pretty. This is a great color. All right, let's keep going. While at least the sidekicks are quiet, right? All right, next up, how about something from Whole Body Deodorant Cream. This is called First Aid Beauty. It is cream deodorant. So how about that? Have you guys tried any of these yet? I always see that Lumi ad, so I think this will be fun to try. And it's a nice full size. All right, and then we have Swede Pro Lash Lift Mascara. I always love a great mascara. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, that's going to be nice. I like this kind of a brush, so I'm looking forward to giving that a try. Have you tried this one yet? If you have, let me know. It's by Swede. Okay, then we have Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum. This comes in a full-size jar. Dexter must have jumped down, needs backup. All right, so this one says this lightweight triple retinoid blemish serum visibly smooths texture, helps to minimize blemishes and unclog pores, formulated with a potent yet gentle trio of retinol, retinol, that's interesting, retinol ester. This milky gel serum works to maximize the clarifying and resurfacing benefits of vitamin A while visibly reducing the appearance of discolorations and fine lines. And it provides a deep, lasting hydration to soothe blemish-prone, sensitive skin. So it sounds like a great serum. I'm looking forward to trying that. I don't know what Loki is doing here, but not minding his own business. This is Juliet. Juliet has a gun, and it says not a perfume. It's a clean, pure, and minimalist, not a perfume, lies in its ability to connect with your natural smell by adapting to your skin's pH. The scent is always unique. So this is like one of those perfumes that creates your own unique scent. How cool is that? It smells a little bit. I'm just going to put some on my wrist, and we'll see what this turns into. Hopefully something I like, right? My own natural skin. I hope it's something that I like. Next up is Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops, Pore Refining and Blurring. So this is a pore treatment. You evenly spread it and gently pat into cleansed, toned skin. And it should control excess oil, visibly reduce pore size, and it's also a primer. Loki's just decided to sleep on this pillow. That's funny. Here's what it looks like. Okay. There's still more. So I'm starting to smell this, and I like it. We'll see how it continues to go while I do my unpacking. Here's another awesome one. This is by Sensuals. This is Brightening Body Scrub with Vitamin C and Hyaluronic Acid. Check out this big container. Loki's barking about something, and he's getting Willy all worked up. So that's exciting to try, as well as the Capari Marine Clean Purifying Gel Cleanser. I always need a face cleanser, so I always grab those whenever they're in these collections. And my last one is a palette, a Jason Wu palette. This was one of your options. they're all going to get up there. Loki doesn't like that. So check out this palette. I thought the colors were probably really good for me. There's many neutrals, some pinks. I don't know if I could wear this gold. That's probably not good for me, but maybe in a crease. Aren't those pretty? I'm enjoying a lot of these. Yeah. All right. And that's everything. What do you think there, Dex? So how many pieces did I get here? I think I added to my normal price about $18 more to get all of these, to add the things that I wanted. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 11 items in here of really, really good stuff. So I can't wait to try these. All right, let me know what you got in your FabFitFun and how you curated yours. And let me know what products that you enjoy, and I'll try to give you an update on these in future videos. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Please hit like and subscribe so I can keep on doing this. And like I said, I will put the information for FabFitFun down below in case you'd like to give it a try. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.